So to start talking about the bones of the foot, it's important that we understand how the ankle is put together. So we have the little fibula down here at the bottom, right here where my thumb is, all right, and the bigger tibia. Now, the tibia sits on the medial side, so this is the medial malleolus, okay? Then the fibula sits on the lateral side, so this is the lateral malleolus on either side here. And so basically, we're gonna go through and talk about the different bones in the foot. But remember, basically all the weight is gonna be put onto these two large bones. The bone we'll talk about in a second that forms your heel, and this special bone that basically articulates with both the fibula and the tibia. Remember, the fibula is there, it doesn't actually bear any weight. All the weight actually comes to the tibia, straight into these two bones of your ankle. All right, so let's look at the individual foot model where we don't have the bones of the leg attached. So all of these bones from here down, okay, between my two fingers there, all those bones collectively are called the tarsals, all right? Your weight's gonna come through this tarsal bone and down into this tarsal bone, the majority of your weight of your body. Similarly to the pollex, we'll talk about having a hallux, which is essentially like your big toe. So this is your hallux, this whole finger, okay? And when we talk about the tarsals, I personally usually start with the cuneiform bones, okay? Which are these three bones right here. You can start learning them in any order you'd like. But we name these the medial cuneiform on the medial side, over on the hallux. Then we have the intermediate cuneiform, the lateral cuneiform. So we keep going, then we have the cuboid, and that's easy to remember because it looks kind of like a cube from this angle. We have the calcaneus, which is this really large, most inferior bone of the tarsals that's going to bear a lot of the weight here and includes your heel. Then we have the you have the talus, so the calcaneus, the talus here on top, and then the navicular. And as we work our way from the foot itself further out from the ankle into the foot, we're going to have the metatarsals. And just like the metacarpals, these are going to be numbered 1 through 5 by Roman numerals. So metatarsal 1, metatarsal 2, metatarsal 3, 4, and 5 from the medial to the lateral. And then as we get closer to the toes, we have the phalanges, okay? And just like we saw with the hand, we only have two phalanges, singular phalanx, for the big toe, okay? So we call those the proximal and the distal phalanx, all right? And that's for digit number 1. Proximal, middle, and distal phalanx of digit number 2. Proximal, middle phalanx of 3, 4, and 5. And those are all of the bones of the foot.